Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can stop pop-up ads on Android and even on iPhone. The method is similar and it's the same result. So first of all, open up your desired browser. For me it's Brave. I use Brave because it has an ad block already installed. So let's open up a browser. Ignore what I just searched before, go to these three dots. The Chrome, Internet Explorer, Samsung Internet, Safari is the same, the three dots or the settings. You scroll down to settings. You scroll down until you see site settings. It's the same on both softwares. Site settings. So you scroll down until you see pop-ups and redirects and you click on block. Now it's allowed, but you click on it because I was already doing it, so this is how you block pop-ups. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.